Welcome back. This is another little maintenance video, and while I'm servicing the bike I thought I would change the shaft oil, or the final drive oil, or lube my shaft as it were. So do a quick video on how I do that. At some point I need to take the spline apart and re-grease it, but that's not for today. This is going to be quick because, well, today is actually Valentine's Day. And I still need to go to the garage and buy some flowers. Lol. So anyway, first things first, to get this started I need to take the rear mudguard off, so we'll do that first. I'm going to be lazy and just use a drill to do it. Lazy's good. Alright, well that's off then. So yeah, it's a bit filthy up here, so what I might do before I do anything else is just give that a little bit of a squirt. I will clean that brake disc, by the way. Don't worry, it's fine. So we'll just, yeah, we'll give that a little clean up just before I open it up. So what we've basically got is, that's the filler cap there, or like the filler nut bolt, and then down here underneath, there, I don't know if you can see it, that's the drain bolt. So that's a Torx, and that's an Allen or a hex. Why would they be the same? That would be easy, wouldn't it? There we go, cracked it. That just needed a bit of a crack. Okay. That doesn't feel like the best.
It doesn't feel like the best to me.
Oh, it stinks. Just to get the airflow. So, hang on, there we go. So it's coming out, there we go, it's coming out quite nicely. It really stinks though. It really does stink, so I'm quite confident that that definitely needed doing. That's all but stopped dripping now, so I'm going to get the little drain bolt back in. Try and do it with one hand. I think technically having the wheel off would have been a smart move, but there we go. Right, I'll get this back in. Alrighty, so here's the oil. So it's Multal gear oil, 75 weight 90, which is the recommended viscosity. And it takes 180 mils, which means on here, let's take a little look, I've got a little measuring thing. I could put it in a container, but yeah, it'll be fine. So I need to be just below the 800, or above the 800 rather, somewhere around here. So that is the final drive oil, or shaft oil, changed on my BMW GS Adventure 1200. Super straightforward job, very easy. I would highly recommend a syringe to put the oil in. That made a big difference. I would definitely measure the oil out next time. I should do that, and I would probably take the rear wheel off as well, just to avoid any oil getting on the rear tyre, although it's really not that hard to clean up. So yeah, simple job, simple job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you on the next one.